the verb. Okay. Tell us about one person, place, or a thing was. Only one in the past. Okay? How about where? Tell us about more than one person. Are they more than one person? Two or more people. Okay, look at where and was. Okay, how about that one? Mike and Tim. Mike and Tim playing with a ball. What is your answer? Why? Why where? Because Mike and Tim. How about the number 6? She was eating lunch at school. Why was? Because it's only one. They had fun. Okay. What do you think the story? Present or past? Past. Because of the word God, there was where. Okay, next. Okay, right, present, past, and future. Okay. In a sentence. Okay, not yes. Number 1, example. Example. Okay, past. Yesterday, past, yesterday night, yesterday. Yesterday, I went to the mall. Okay, how about present? How about present? Today, very good. Today, because present, or now, today or now, okay? Today, I going to the mall. Okay, how about future? Okay, tomorrow, or next week, okay? Next week, I going to the mall. Okay, 1, 2. 5 only. 5. 5 or 4? 5 or 6? 5. It's easy. Okay. 10 or 5? It's easy. Very easy. You just look at them. Only 3. Only 3 and look at. Okay. Write only in your notebook. Only in your notebook. Only 3. Any number 1? Any 1? 1 enough? 1. Any 1 Okay. Online try. No copy. No copy. Only example. Ni number 1.